How to add dates and text to your handheld printer. Let's find the Edit button. Enter, and here we will have several editing options. We go to Text. Here we will have the preview. Click on it, and here we can edit and write whatever we need. In this case, we will enter a production and expiration date. The handheld printer will allow us to include 4 to 6 lines of text. Once the text is entered, we will click Confirm. In this area, we can change the font type according to our preference. And in this part, we can also edit the font size. We can also adjust the spacing or properties. We can make the text bold or italic. We can also underline or strike through the text. And that's how we add text. Now, I will show you how to add a barcode. To start, we have several options. At the bottom, we will enter code. And here we will have the preview of our code. To enter it, we go to this part, where we can write our barcode. Once entered, we click Confirm. And that's how easily we generate our barcode. Now, if we want to edit it, on the right side we will find these options to change it. We can choose the type of code, which I always recommend using the code 128. We will be able to edit the height and also the value. If we want it to be a bit smaller, we set it to 25. Confirm it, and we get a slightly more compressed code. Once we have the desired code, we confirm, and that's it. That's how easily you can include your barcode. If we want to add a QR code, we have two options. The first is to enter it manually. For this, again in the menu, go to the QR option, and here we have the preview for the coder to generate it. We enter text to place the link. In this case, we will enter the RIGEL website. Once the link is entered, click Confirm, and we can see how we generate our code. In this area, we can change the code type, and on the right, we can change the size. Once we have our code set up, we click on Confirm, and this is the first option to add the code. The second option is via USB drive. We look for the Adobe QR website. Enter the site, click on Create Now, and in the Type or Paste the URL section, paste the link. Again, we'll enter the RIGEL website. Copy the link, paste it in the section, and the QR code will be generated. Make sure the image is saved in PNG or JPG format. In this case, PNG. Click Download, and the QR image will be downloaded. We will transfer this image to the USB drive and then eject the USB from the computer. Once saved, insert the USB into the handheld printer. And to open the file, go to More, then Image, and all of the files on the USB will appear. In this case, we save it as QR RIGEL. Confirm it, and the downloaded code will appear. Confirm it, and now we can work with the code. And this is how we add a QR code. Finally, I'll show you how to upload your logo image to your coder. On our computer, we will edit the image to a minimum size of 150 pixels in PNG or JPG format, then save it to the USB drive. We proceed to insert the USB into the handheld printer, and once connected, go to More, Image, and in this part, we will find several files. We go to Image Logo and confirm it. And that's it. Now we have the image of our logo. At the bottom, we can edit the height. In this case, we'll leave it as the default setting and confirm it. And that's how easily you can add your logos to your handheld printer. Now tell us, what are you going to add to your handheld printer? We'll read you in the comments.